Hello there. So you want to know how you can go ahead and add scenes in OBS Studio. This is the only video you'll ever need to watch. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open OBS Studio and launch it as an administrator. Once you've done that, you're going to be on this page. So if you don't know what scenes is, first of all, let me just explain it to you simply what scenes are. So take a scene as a scene of a movie where you can set up multiple things, you can set up multiple settings, you can also set up, for example, in this case, you can set up either your full webcam, a gameplay, or even just a small webcam. So something like that, right? So for example, let's just say in one of my scenes, I want a display capture and then I want a webcam. So it's going to be video capture device. And I'm going to, for example, just take an example that this is my video capture or my webcam, and I've placed it right here. So this is one scene. And now on the scene 2, let's say, for example, I only want an image. So let me just get an image from, okay, there you go. For example, here is an image. So these are two of my scenes that I can go ahead and transition into. So now I'll just teach you exactly how you can create a scene. So all you need to do in order to create a scene is click on this plus button and now click on OK. You can name it or whatever you want. I've just named it scene 3. You can drag it around and put it on order if you want to. And then all you need to do is add sources inside of it and you're set to go. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.